Current hex cost is $0.32. Hex falls 29% in 7 days, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hex cost examination in a real sense is negative today in a truly significant manner. First help level for hex basically is at $30 in an unobtrusive manner. 24 February 2024. In this video we will really walk you through hex cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and basically attempt to respond to these much of the time, got clarification on some things, facts, what most certainly is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for hex, truly is hex a very wise interest in a quite huge manner. Hex help and obstruction levels and so on, so hex cost investigation explicitly is negative today in every practical sense in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the hex specialized examination, let us discuss the very current economic situations, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 184%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,977,896, $265, $575, which in a real sense is very critical. The really all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $50, $334, $576, $911 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33% in a significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51, $543.17 level after a vertical development of 77%, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours in a very huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time period, which essentially is very huge. Sol, the very local coin of Solana in a real sense, is up by 2.3%, and at present exchanging at $103.77, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, XRP came to 0.55 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, which generally is genuinely huge. These occasions explicitly show that the market in every practical sense is going in a descending heading for especially transient in a significant manner. As of now, and especially broad essentially. Regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an in every way that really matters enormous way. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an especially significant manner. Support generally is a level at which purchases explicitly become kind of more truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so the kind of all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $50, $334, $576, $911, which generally is very huge. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors certainly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so the in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $50, $334, $576, $911 in a truly significant manner. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The day-to-day outline of hex truly shows that the hex cost basically has a genuinely descending development with a 119% reduction in genuinely beyond 24 hours, exceptionally further appearance how hex help and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to essentially distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path amazingly. The value worth of the hex coin is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization $584, 394, 461 USD, exhibiting how current hex cost in a real sense is $0.32. Hex falls 29% in 7 days. Hex cost changes 29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume by and large is drifting around $3,738, 949 USD, which by and large shows that following are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution, the genuinely everyday graph of hex generally shows that the hex cost in a real sense has a kind of descending development with a 119% diminishing in all things considered recent hours. Most certainly further appearance how hex help and opposition backing and opposition basically are significant Specialized markers used to, in a real sense, recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Hex value examination. Hex cost examination for 24 February 2024 inside a genuinely day-to-day time span especially made sense of beneath, so the value worth of the hex coin explicitly is remaining at $0.32 with market capitalization $584 394 461 as west, showing how current hex cost essentially is $0.32. Hex fall 29% in 7 days, which really is very critical. We utilize certainly relative strength indexes, moving certainly normal intermingling and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense. Straightforward moving pretty normal SMA and outstanding moving extremely normal and MA2 in every way that really matters. Break down the future development of the hex, which sort of shows that help sort of is a level at which purchases sort of become in every way that really matters, all the more truly dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so the truly complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $50 334 576 911, which fundamentally is very critical. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192%. Or for truly 1 week from now and truly attempt to answer these habitually explicitly clarified some things facts, what especially is truly transient cost expectation for HEX, in a real sense is HEX a generally excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would help the upswing energy, which in every practical sense shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2.8748 during the past 24 hours in an especially large manner. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at $0.39, which basically is very huge. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers truly betray the hex, the truly bears could handle the market and basically take hex cost beneath the critical help level of $0.30, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 184%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1 to 977, 896, 265, 575 in a genuinely huge manner. While Hex's Williams %R marker basically is at 2318 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign especially is most certainly conceivable at this reach, fundamentally further appearance how current Hex cost basically is $0.32. Hex falls so 9% in 7 days in an especially huge manner. The general strength record RSI demonstrates that the Hex coin truly is in heading towards overbought zone, as RSI in a real sense is at 54, so Hex cost examination essentially is negative today in a genuinely significant